Hi everyone, my name is Carson MUA here on this channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. I appreciate you. If you're new, thank you for checking me out. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. Today what we're doing, it's a video that I filmed back when I was in school with some of my friends, and we were doing her nails and her makeup for quotas. And then also I kind of just wanted to do makeup in general. So this is kind of what this video is going to be. It's going to be off this look. I'll put it up on the screen. We kind of just looked at the palettes I had that day and decided these are the colors that we're going to use, and so we went with it. So if you guys are interested in how we did this look and just what the process is doing it at school, at beauty school, just keep watching this video. And yeah, so we're going to get into it and we'll just do it. Hi everyone, voiceover Carson here, back at it again. We are doing this makeup look. I really enjoyed how this turned out. I think it looked really pretty on my friend Corey. And in this video, we're going to show how we would do quotas when it was like our off day. So what I mean by that is we come on a day where we were making up hours that wasn't on our scheduled day. And also just to make up quotas. Quotas are a thing that you have to do in beauty school. You have to meet a certain criteria. So like you have to have this many makeups done, this many facials done, this many waxes done, and it's categorized in specific things as well. So that is what we were having to do. Like our other friend Ella, she is doing Corey's nails so she can get nail quotas, and I was doing her makeup so I can get makeup quotas, because then later on I did my own makeup as well as a quota, which I found out afterwards that technically you can't really do on yourself and get a quota, which was stupid because nobody told me prior, but whatever. I still got a quota for it, at least because I didn't know. That wasn't something I knew going into it. But yeah, so we had to go set up in, there's like a little foyer area of the school where we had to go set up our little table over here. And it's basically, once you walk into the door, you're at like the reception desk and everything like that. And then you kind of walk more into the school itself, going towards the back area. And this is where we're at, where the other classrooms are. And there's a little glass room behind us, which is called the fish tank, which is where like admin have meetings, or we have to go in there sometimes, like if we're taking tests and we want like peace and quiet or studying or whatever, or if there's not enough room in the classroom. And sometimes that was happening a lot. Yeah, I'll go more into more detail probably when I am making my video about school in general. But that's kind of what we had to do, at least for this video. And then if you heard that, that was Lily. So what we're doing at the moment is we're trying to figure out what color she wanted, because I brought, I don't remember exactly how many palettes, but I brought a handful of palettes because I wasn't sure like what kind of look I wanted to do when I was doing my makeup, or I wasn't sure what kind of makeup look she wanted to do. So I was like, well, let me bring my colorful palettes, let me bring my neutral palettes, let me give her options, because she's kind of like me. She likes doing colorful looks or makeup in general. And so I was like, oh, she'd be the perfect person to do it on and to practice on. And so we kind of just looked at my palettes, and she decided on these really it was one shade. It was a really magenta-y shade. And so I said, okay, well, we can use this, and then we can use this darker one but the same color as a transition one, and so that it can blend well together. And that's kind of what I did, and it turned out really, really pretty. I might redo it on myself as well, or maybe add some shimmer or something. There's always something that I can do differently on it, but I liked how this looked on her, especially because it brought out her eyes as well, and it just looked really, really nice. And yeah, so that's kind of what we're doing. I'm just doing her under eyes now because I finished transitioning the shade on top. I loved how it turned out. Let me know down in the comments what kind of looks you might want me to create or do on any of my friends or anything like that. Let me know down in the comments below any types of videos you guys want me to talk about, do, show you. Like I said, there's plenty of videos that I have planned that are gonna go into like talking about my experience in a beauty school and going to beauty school in general, and talking about tips and tricks of like what you need to do getting into this profession or going to look for a school, even if you're not an esthetician, even if you're going for cosmetology or something like that. But yeah, so right now what I'm doing is just putting eyeliner on. I wasn't gonna do any mascara because she had lash extensions, so obviously we weren't gonna do any mascara on those, but I love how it turned out. So I hope you guys thought that was interesting, how the layout, how we have to do at school. I know I probably mentioned it a little bit during the video, and that was the finished look. I'll show it again, the picture of it. And yeah, so I hope you guys are having a wonderful morning, evening, night, whenever this reaches you. Go check out my Instagram and my TikTok, as long as TikTok is still going. There's a Lily. Just come say hi at Aesthetics by Carson. I'll put it linked down in the description below. Anything we use during the video, I'll have it linked down below as well. If you guys were interested in knowing what I use, it's in the description down below. Let me know what other kind of videos you guys want to see from me. I have a bunch ready to go and also pre-planned, so I am excited about what is coming and I can't wait. I'm getting impatient because I'm just excited of all the content I have either ready to go or planning to make as soon as it gets closer to that point. And yeah, so let me know down in the comment what you guys want to see from me too, though, and I can do that, and I will see you guys in the next video.